Welcome to our inventory management game. This was a game that we came up with to really help students be able to understand how to take an inventory without needing a lot of space, room, or other supplies, but they really get the full experience of this. So this is how this first game works. There is a copy of a spreadsheet, so you're going to open it and click Make a Copy. Okay, they will have to have a Google password, but remember, getting a Google account is free. So this is a nice activity that you can, use free resources. When you make a copy, each of the students is going to receive their own copy. And what you'll see is that there is a number of items inside that they have to inventory. Now, the vendor and the item numbers are supplied. They are fake item numbers, but they do have an amount that they should have inside their office. So they should have 3 boxes of 24 pencils, 2 pencil sharpeners, 25 reams of copy paper, etc. Now let's take a look and go back to the rest of the game. If you scroll down underneath that, you are going to see a medical office. And there are a few things that you can click on, and you can tell if you can click on something when your arrow turns to a hand. So you can see over the drawers, it turns to a hand, and over the office supply door, it turns into a hand. So this is our supply room, and you will see a number of supplies that are here, and next to each of them there is a little plus. And when you hover over the plus, you're going to see that there are 2 telephone message pads. So you're going to record that inside your inventory spreadsheet. Okay, so here you're going to find your message pads. So there's our telephone message pads, and in the on hand, you are going to record that you have 2 of them. Okay. You will go through all of the items, both in the drawers and in the supply room, and note the amount of items that you have on hand. So it's like doing a physical inventory. Okay, once you are done, what you need to figure out is the amount that you need to order. So if you have the need, or the amount that you should have for the month is 5 message pads, and what you have are 2, how many should we order? Hopefully we come up with the answer 3. And so you will essentially do this for every item on our list. Don't forget that it's not just the office supply room, but you're going to want to open the drawers as well, because inside the drawers, you may find some additional things. And here we see that there's an extra telephone pad hanging out inside of the drawer. So I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. And I'm going to say that now we had 2 in the closet and 1 in the drawer, so that actually makes 3. And now I have to adjust the amount I have to order down to 2. Okay, so when you go through all of these different components, right, you're able to add up the supplies you have, determine what you have need to order, and then you would go ahead and order your supplies for the term.